Okay, so today we are going to install a decal sticker of Girls' Generation. So there, at the back of a Samsung A5. And typically you need a small size, a standard small size, for you to be able to install it properly on the surface of your mobile phone. So some things that you need to do is, first you have to clean using an LCD cleaning kit. You can buy this from CDR King. Okay, so you only need one spray and clean the surface, the whole lot, because you don't want dust or any other dirt to be embedded while you are installing your decal sticker. So there. So once that you're done, you can start measuring. Okay, normally for big decals, or rather for loud designs, the logo would be covered, so it's up to you. But basically, for small decal stickers, you can place it on mobile phones, power banks, small tablets, like the size 7 inches tablets. Then for medium, maybe I'll just do a separate video for that. So the next one, since it's already cleaned up, okay, wipe it again to make sure that there are no dust. Okay, and then the next one is that you are going to peel off the transfer film, and notice that the decal sticker comes off with the transfer film. Okay, so make sure that when you try to put the transfer film, you're already decided that it's going to be the final position, because there's no turning back when you do that. Okay, so let's try it carefully now. Are you seeing it? Oh. So it sometimes helps if you roll it, because okay, so once that it's laid flat, sometimes it would help if you have a card and you will do this, or you will flatten it before you remove the transfer film. So to make sure that the outline of your decal stickers are really stuck, okay, onto the... Okay, then once you're done doing that, so again, just to make sure, you can use your fingers. Okay, and then once you're done, you can start peeling it off carefully. You don't want to destroy your decal stickers when you do this, so carefully carefully now. Okay. I think it's doing all. Okay. Whoop. Okay. There. Okay, so that's about it. So if you're going to notice, you will see that the outline, okay. Oh, okay. So that the outline is right. Very nice. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this is very educational for you. So go ahead and buy decal stickers from Omona Manila. Thank you very much for listening and for watching.